Our flagship Master Series Bravia XR OLED for 2021 is the a90j, coming in 83, 65 and 55-inch screen sizes. It's the successor to the AG9. The Bravia XR range is built around our brand new cognitive processor XR, created so we could deliver the most immersive experience that thrills and moves you and feels just like the world around you. The cognitive processor XR is designed to replicate the way our brains think and respond to both picture and sound. It divides the screen into hundreds of zones, recognizes individual objects in the zones, and then, and this is the really clever part, can cross-analyze a few 100,000 different elements that make up the picture, the same way our brain does. It's even clever enough to replicate the way we focus on certain objects we want to see at the time and not everything all at once. The cognitive processor XR identifies the main focal point in a scene, and by enhancing each detail in that object, ensures it stands out just like it would in the real world. At the same time, our cognitive processor XR analyzes the sound signal, and using advanced sound processing and the a90j's advanced acoustic surface audio system, ensures the output matches what's happening on screen. So you feel like you're right there in the heart of the scene. All this cutting-edge Bravia XR picture and sound technology deserves content to match. Bravia Core brings the cinematic experience home, and it's exclusively for Bravia XR owners. You can redeem films from a selection of over 300 new, recent and classic titles, and will have unlimited streaming access to over 100 films in amazing quality up to 4K HDR. Bravia Core also has the largest collection of IMAX enhanced movies available. Optimized for Bravia XR, it delivers remastered IMAX pictures and immersive sound by DTS to recreate that IMAX experience in the comfort of your own home. In addition, Pure Stream means you'll get a beautiful, smooth picture quality coming to you in a high bitrate of up to 80 megabits per second. More megabits means more picture information, and more information means more detail and depth for an incredibly immersive viewing experience. The a90j includes 10 movies to redeem, 24 months of unlimited streaming, and access to a host of backstage footage, interviews, and more to give you the inside story on what happened behind the scenes of your favorite movies. If PlayStation and gaming is your thing, that amazing Bravia XR picture and sound technology is going to deliver a fantastic experience with all the color, contrast and clarity that your games deserve, alongside incredibly immersive sound to transport you to different worlds. HDMI 2.1 features like 4K 120 means supported games will look super smooth with quick response times and low input lag. And there's support for VRR and ALM included too. Now let's go into more detail on these incredible Bravia XR picture technologies. To start, the a90j offers our best OLED picture quality to date. The cognitive processor XR combines with XR 4K upscaling, XR Triluminous Pro and XR Motion Clarity to provide stunning clarity, color and motion in every scene, whether you're watching the latest box sets, live action sports, or gaming. Contrast is another real point of difference with the a90j, delivering our brightest OLED yet. With XR OLED Contrast Pro, the overall brightness is increased and the color volume is expanded. You'll see it for yourself, a truly breathtaking picture. Netflix calibrated mode, IMAX enhanced, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos are all featured. We want to bring you content how the creator intended you to see and hear it, and these professional technologies really deliver. In addition to the cognitive processor XR providing its audio processing power, we've further refined our unique acoustic surface audio plus technology. Redesigned actuators invisibly vibrate the screen to create sound waves that come directly from where the action is on screen. And when combined with twin subwoofers, delivers multi-dimensional sound that recreates that immersive cinema experience. The a90j also supports 3D surround upscaling, so everything you watch gets the surround sound treatment. Whatever you're watching, the a90j analyses and up-converts audio to 5.1.2 surround sound for a real multi-dimensional experience. Now sound isn't just positioned horizontally, but vertically too, creating an enveloping 3D soundscape. Ambient optimization technology with our acoustic auto-calibration allows the a90j to intelligently adapt to your environment. When the hue of a light source in a room changes, for example between cool and warm, the colours of the TV picture change accordingly and can become unnatural looking. But the a90j includes an RGB light sensor that optimises colour and brightness of the picture to the light source. Acoustic auto-calibration takes care of the sound, with even objects that could disturb the passage of sound detected, so you get the best picture and sound experience every time. With Google TV, you can browse content from across your apps, intelligently organised just for you. Movies and shows are grouped in ways that reflect your interests. You can binge your favourite sagas and find your way to uncharted worlds based on what you watch. Google TV helps you discover what to enjoy next. Finding content is simple. Just ask Google to quickly search for content across apps and services. It's easy to find everything from jungle escapades to intergalactic comedies. Start watching right away or save the fun to your watch list for later. If that wasn't enough, you can go beyond TV with your Google TV. Control your smart home devices like lights and cameras, or you can talk to Google and learn new things about the news, the weather, or who's winning the big game. Plus, with a hands-free built-in mic, accessing all of that content is easy and fast. With Chromecast built in, you can use your mobile device to stream your favourite shows, movies, music, sports, games, and more to the big screen. And if you're an Apple fan, there's Apple AirPlay 2 and Apple HomeKit ready for you too. And we must touch upon the stunning design of our latest flagship OLED television. A one-slate design with noiseless aluminium feet located at the edge gives the a90j its unmistakable Bravia XR character. The 55-inch and 65-inch models feature our seamless edge, where the screen appears to blend into the bezel with a minimal 0.7mm black frame around the screen. And the 83 inches bezel oozes premium thanks to the metal flush surface design. Everything here is being designed not only to look good, but for an all-immersive, undisturbed viewing. There are two stand positions for the 55 and 65-inch models, edge and soundbar position, whilst the 83-inch adds a central option too. Both the 55-inch and 65-inch models can be wall-mounted super close to the wall thanks to our swivel WL850 wall bracket. All sizes come with our backlit premium aluminium remote control. There is so much to explore with the a90j. Check it out for yourself on our website or in-store when available. Thank you for watching.